Welcome to hgreglux. Here we have a 2021 Mercedes-Benz GT Black Series. This car came with a clean Carfax. In this video, I'll be showing you any dents, scratches, or any wear and tear to the car to the best of our knowledge. First, we'll be going panel by panel. We're going to start with the front bumper. Perfect. Let's have a look at the hood of the car. Excellent. I'm not seeing any scratches or paint chips at all. Let's move on to the driver fender and wheel. Okay, this fender looks fine. I'm not seeing any scratches or any dents. And the wheel has no curb rash. Let's move on to the driver door. This door is in excellent condition. I'm not seeing any dents or scratches appear at all. Let's move on to the quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel looks perfect. I'm not seeing any scratches or any dents. And the wheel has no curb rash. Let's move on to the back of the car. Okay, looking at the carbon fiber spoiler, everything here looks fine. And also the back bumper is perfect as well. Let's take a look at the passenger quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel has no dents or scratches, and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's take a look at the passenger door. This door is in excellent condition. I'm not seeing any dents here at all. And now the last fender and wheel looks perfect. I'm not seeing any scratches or dents on the fender, and the wheel has no curb rash. So the exterior of this car is in excellent condition. Now we're going to have a look inside. And first we're going to start off with the driver's seat. Okay, let's take a look at the door panel. Perfect. So the driver's side is in good condition. Now we're going to have a look at the passenger side. Okay, the seat looks really good. Let's take a look at the door panel. Perfect. I'm not seeing any wear on the door panel at all. So the passenger side is in good condition. Now we're going to have a look at the rest of the interior. First, we're going to start off with the center console. Okay, everything looks fine. I'm not seeing any wear and tear at all. Let's take a look at the steering wheel. Not seeing any wear and tear here at all. So the interior of this car is in perfect condition. Now we're going to have a look at the trunk. And last but not least, the engine bay. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to speak to one of our representatives.